Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use SaleHoo. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be needing first to go to salehoo.com and then you will be needing just to log in into your account or to click on get started now so you can be able to get your account. And as you can see, there are many products of SaleHoo. So there is the SaleHoo directory if you want just to connect with the dropship or wholesale supplier. And from here, if you want to start I add product to my online store, that means you will be able to start drop shipping. And here for SaleHoo Educate, and there is SaleHoo Market Insight. So basically, after choosing your plan, you will be able to start creating your account, and then it will take you to the checkout page where you can add your uh, account there or your billing information so you can get your account. And after that, you will be able to start using the different SaleHoo topics. For example, you can create your online store. You can also start your dropshipping business, etc. And from here, we are going to learn about a little bit about dropshipping. And from here, you can learn more about it, and for example how you can find trending topics here on SaleHoo, or how you can start using SaleHoo for getting your suppliers by going, for example, uh, to the SaleHoo tools like the SaleHoo dropship, and from there you will be able to start using the dropship SaleHoo like the tool for getting all what you will need. So basically, you will be able to start searching for suppliers and the products, and basically, you will be able to create your own online store where you will be able to start um, having or adding your products. So as you can see, you can control your products, and then you can have them on your online stores, and you can start selling and drop shipping these products. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.